Right, one of the most used tools in my shop, this Erbauer sander. I use it almost every weekend, but it is in need of a few repairs. It's this underplate mainly. It's normally held on by 4 of these hooks, and 3 of them have ground off over time. It's been holding on by its last little hook there. So I need to make another one of these little bottom plates. And what I'm going to try and make it out of is this, and it's the last piece of the cable tray that I've been using. It started off life as one of these, and I've chopped it down and made all sorts. And this is all I've got remaining of one of those big ones. I made my fire extinguisher holder, I've made a shelf, I made a holder for my grinder. So this will be the 4th thing that I've made out of that cable tray. But what I just want to do before I get started, I'm going to give it a clean out and make it just a bit nicer to work on, get a load of the sawdust off it. Might as well take that off while I'm at it. Now that should come off, but the feet kept falling off, so I've glued them on. So, there we go. Well, that can't do it any harm, can it? So this is what I'll call the belly plate of the sander, the knackered one. So I'm going to trace around this to get my new shape. There's actually places where it's obvious that it's been sanded away. And these are the tabs that fit on the side, so I'm going to leave them long. There's a little cut out there that I'm going to mark now. I don't know what that's there for. It's obviously there for a reason. I'll mark it now and I'll cut it out later. And I'll cut the top of the tabs a little bit longer than they need to. In fact, I'll just leave them as long as I can for now. Right, got my shape. I'll cut that out.
I'm 10 years old and looking forward to the lunchtime bell. Straight out to the battlefield, a place as kids know well. A well-trod patch of dust and dirt that long lost all its grass. God never made a better place for rolling balls of glass. A pocket full of marbles was my young mind craved. Seems silly now that I've grown up, old memories never fade. I battled hard against my mates and grew up and moved on. But now I'm pushing 60 and my Marvin days are gone. Crouching down and finger poised, lined up for the shot. A steady hand is what you need to take what's in the pot. Blossom blast is satisfying, noise is your main aim. Now you just need to shoot the hole to claim the playground fame. It's been almost 50 years since I last left the pitch. I lost the passion or grew up, I can't remember which. One thing that should never change despite the passing years: hold on to your marbles or my decline appears. A pocket full of marbles was my young mind craved. Seems silly now that I've grown up, old memories never fade. I battled hard against my mates and grew up and moved on. But now I'm pushing 60 and my Marvin days are gone. Why do I remember clear what happened so long back? But try and recall yesterday, my mind just draws a blank. Cast my thoughts back just a bit, my brain can spring a leak. For the life of me, I can't remember what I did last week. To hold on to my marbles is now the thing I crave. I'm older now and all but lost the automatic save. So battle hard with Father Time, there's no gain without pain. Hold on to your marbles and exercise your brain. To hold on to my marbles is now the thing I crave. I'm older now and all but lost the automatic save. So battle hard with Father Time, there's no gain without pain. Hold on to your marbles and exercise your brain.
Cut the holes in these, then stuck a round filing, just filed them down. And all things being equal, this should fit. Bloody hell. It fits. Oh, why wouldn't it? It was exactly the same as the one that came off. It's possibly a little bit tight, but right, it fits, it's working. Right, belts on, tightened up. Right, that's another one done. Perfect as that. Don't forget, if you like what you see, like and subscribe, and it just means I can make more videos. The more likes, the more subscriptions I get, the more views I get, the more videos I can make. So see you next time.